Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every week. So today I am doing, it's the same design I have done a few times. It's the little Highland cow, and I wanted to do more vacation stuff. So I got this Sublimation makeup travel case in a sunglass case. I wanted to say that the sunglass case came from Temu, and the travel makeup case came from Amazon. Now this is, it's not a huge bag, but it's going to be perfect for what I need it for. Just to put some toiletries in it and hang it up in our cruise cabin when we go on our cruise. So I printed out the design for both of these. It's the same design, the same one that I did with my tumbler and my phone case and makeup remover wipe. I'm obsessed with this design. So I thought, why not just make it a whole set? So I'm just taking a lint roller and removing lint from each of these. And then I put the design down. See how cute it is? But anyway, I'm going to place this face down onto the makeup case. So if you know where I went wrong already, then good for you. Because it took me until after I did it to realize what I did wrong here. But I'm making sure that the size that I printed out will fit, and it does. But I do want to cut off most of that border around, just because it's so hard to see to center it. So I cut that off, and now I'm going to go ahead and place that down. And tape it into place so that it won't move around when I press it. Now what I did was place this under my heat press, just the sublimation part, because I didn't want to melt like the zipper and all the other stuff that's on there. You only need to sublimate the top of this. Now, the little hook that is on it, it kind of melted the little tip piece, but I ain't really worried about that. So if you don't want to melt that, you might be able to just put like some silicone around it, or have it stick out the side of your heat press somehow. So my heat press is already preheated to 400 degrees, and I pressed it for 40 seconds. And you can already see the image coming through, and I knew I was going to really like the image. However, when I closed this thing up, I realized that I put it on upside down. Now, when it's hanging, if you have it hanging so that you can see the back, it's perfect. But you're going to be hanging it with the stuff that you need inside. So yeah, I put it on upside down. And it's just for me, so I really don't care. But I'm just grabbing some stuff that I have set aside for our trip. And there's still plenty of room for things. And they have several pockets, and yeah, so I think it is really great, but absolutely perfect for what I need it for. So the other thing that I knew that I wanted was I had prescription sunglasses and regular prescription glasses, and because we're going on a cruise and we're going to Alaska, I knew I was going to need my sunglasses, and I didn't want to put them on the top of my head and all of that. So I definitely, here's where I realized, yeah, it's on upside down. But anyway, back to the sunglasses. I wanted something that would protect my sunglasses when I'm not using them, or protect my glasses when I'm not using those. And that I could just clip on instead of carrying a big purse around. So I'm going to be wearing a lanyard. I can clip it right to my lanyard. So that works out great. And that's where this comes in. This is a neoprene, and it's very flexible. Now, what I did when I put this on here and when I go to press it, I did use a pressing pillow underneath it because it does not lay extremely flat. And that little hook is plastic, and I did not want it to melt. So I did do a pressing pillow and had the hook thing hanging down so that it would not completely melt under my heating press. And again, pressing at 40 seconds at 400 degrees. And once it cooled off, I was able to pull it off there with no problem, although the zipper stayed really hot. So I was trying to show you me closing it, and that zipper was hot. But I let it cool down some so that I could then zip it around. But this will be great. This will hook to either a purse or my lanyard, or a belt buckle, you know, a belt loop, anything, just to keep my hands free and the glasses out of my hair. So I'm really thinking this is cute, all this little set that I'm making for my trip. But I'll list everything that I got down in the description box below, just in case you're interested. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.